We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at apartment 317. Let's go on in. We'll go in through the kitchen. You can see we've got the refrigerator, the dishwasher and sink, the microwave, the stove and oven. We have some cabinets and drawers. Before we enter into the main part of the apartment, we'll take a look in the bathroom, which is across from the kitchen area. As we go on in, this is the same bathroom setup that we've seen in the other apartments here in the building. So we have the tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and there's a medicine cabinet over there as well. Let's go on into the apartment. As we go through, we've got the closet over on our right. We'll take a peek in there as we go by. So you can see your hanging space in here in the closet. As we go into the apartment, this is the largest of the studio apartments that we have here in the Collegetown Center building. Over on our left, we have the bookshelf placed over here. We like to show you some different ways to style your apartment, some different furniture layouts. So we've got the bed placed over here, the dresser. So this is, again, the largest of the styles of the studios here in Collegetown Center. This is the 5-window or Pentacle style apartment. As we go into this alcove where the windows are, this is the extra space that you get in this particular apartment style. So we'll go on through. You can see the dining table and chair. And we want to take a look out the windows. So we're on the north or Dryden Road side of the building. The windows on the far left and right are the ones that open. The others are in fixed position. And you can see the other apartment that sticks out. That is the number 13 line. So you can see that's the extra space that these 5-window apartments have. You can see we're in the bustling Collegetown neighborhood. We're on Dryden Road, that's Collegetown Plaza. We've got some nice views to the west over there. We're here in central Collegetown, so we've got some great people watching opportunities. Let's look up the other way. You can see towards the center of Collegetown, which is the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, right there. You can see one of the other banks of the Pentacle or 5-window apartments. That's the 21 line. So these apartments are available in styles 13, 17, and 21. They're matching styles. The difference will just be the position on the floor or what you see out the window and the floor level that you're on. We have this available on floors 2 through 6 here in Collegetown Center. We're located at 151 Dryden Road and we're just 1 block from campus.